Hi, today is 13 June 2021. My name is Shantanu Prashant Tumne and our today's topic is OOPS concept. And in OOPS concept, we will see what is inheritance, what is encapsulation, what is multiple inheritance, what is multi-level inheritance, what is upcasting, downcasting, what is method overriding, and what are constructors. So first of all, we will see what is OOPS concept. OOPS concept is used to reduce the time, reduce the complexity, and and increase the reliability of the project or a code. So what does actually OOPS concept do? OOPS concept, in OOPS concept we have to create only one method class, only one main method class, and another classes are defined as a user defined methods, which are also called as, in simple language, helpers to main method. So the main program, for example, if we are writing a calculator program, so the main running code will be defined in main method, and another though depend on subtraction, addition, multiplication, scientific calculation, and all the other programs are defined in helper classes. So so what will happen? So we we can use we use in oops. What does oops do? Oops do the oops made the copy of object, or make an object with respect to that class, or call that class from main method, and that copy or that object can be used multiple times, and we don't have to write the code that much times. If we have to use 100 times, if you have to use the code for 100 times, the main method allow us to use that code for 100 times without coding again and again. So this is the use of oops concept. In oops concept, we can see that the concept of inheritance means for we can call, if we are using a calculator program, as we have seen earlier, that we can use for subtraction one class, addition second class, multiplication class. In class 1 we can add the program of addition and subtraction. In class 2 we can add the program of multiplication and division. In class 3 we can add the program of scientific calculation. So what does inheritance do? Inheritance calls another remaining two classes from class 1 only. How? So class 1 extends class 2, in class 2 extends class 3. So what happened with this? We can access all the parameters, all the methods by calling class 1 only. So this is the use of inheritance. What is multi-level inheritance? What we have seen in example of inheritance, that is called as multi-level inheritance. So again we can revise that multi-level inheritance, that is class 1 calls class 2, class 2 calls class 3, and class 3 further as much you have configured the classes. And what is multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance means class 1 calls class 2, class 3, class 4, and further so on. So multiple inheritance is not supported by Java till date. So what is upcasting? Upcasting means going from child class to parent class to grandparent class, and so on. And what is downcasting mean? Downcasting means going from grandparent class to parent class to child class, and child class to main class. So this is called as downcasting and upcasting. What is method overriding? Method overriding means making them multiple methods with same name but with different characters, different variables. So if the variables are same, there will be error for the duplicate name, but we can use multiple methods with same name. So you can use multiple methods mean as many as you want with same name, but we have to use the different variables, different types of variables. For example, in class in some class 1 in class 1 we have used subtraction and addition for calculator. Then we can use the both method name as summation or calculator, but variables for addition will be a and b, and variables for subtraction will be c and d. So what is constructor? Constructor is used to transfer the data from main method to another 3 to 4 classes, or as much as classes you have used. With the help of constructor, we can access the data without accessing the main method, without directly accessing the defined or initiated variables. So this is all about the OOPS concept: inheritance, encapsulation, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, upcasting, downcasting, method overriding, and constructor. Thank you.